Year-end greetings in Japanese. 本年も大変お世話になりました。Thank you for all your support, help this year. 本年も大変お世話になりました。本年も大変お世話になりました。今年は本当にいろいろありがとうございました。Thank you so much for everything this year. 今年は本当にいろいろありがとうございました。今年は本当にいろいろありがとうございました。来年もよろしくお願いします。Please take care of me next year as well. Or, I look forward to working with you again next year. 来年もよろしくお願いします。来年もよろしくお願いします。来年も一緒に頑張りましょう。Let's do our best next year too. 来年も一緒に頑張りましょう。来年も一緒に頑張りましょう。年末年始、ゆっくり休んでくださいね。Please get some rest during the year end and New Year holidays. 年末 means the year end. 年始 means New Year. 年末年始 means the year end and New Year holidays. 年末年始、ゆっくり休んでくださいね。年末年始、ゆっくり休んでくださいね。良いお年を。Have a great new year. 良いお年を。良いお年を。どうぞ良いお年をお迎えください。I hope you have a happy new year. どうぞ良いお年をお迎えください。どうぞ良いお年をお迎えください。Here's an exciting announcement. My new coloring book called Kawaii Japan Life by Very Kawaii Club is officially launched at Amazon.com. This book is filled with fun and happy Japanese colorful days in 4 seasons. Things like watching cherry blossom with sweet mochi, try kimono at ancient town, relax in the scent of yuzu in onsen, playing capsule toy machine gacha, etc. Let's dive into the world of Kawaii Japan Life. Thank you so much for watching this channel and give me a good button, amazing comment and subscribe this channel. Your support means the world to me. Looking forward to seeing you at next video. 良いお年を。Have a great new year. またねー。